good morning everyone. So today our lesson will be regarding calculus and vectors. So we'll see a vector perpendicular to both vectors. So if I have two vectors, A and B, if this is vector A and this is vector B, then a vector perpendicular to both of them will be this way, A cross B. So cross product is always using two vectors. The third vector is perpendicular to both of them. So in this case I have these two vectors. The third vector A cross B must be perpendicular to both of them. Here we say A cross B. So the cross product, we can find it by using different ways. So the simplest way we do here in high school is I write first both minus 2 minus 1 2. I write it twice, minus 2 minus 1 2, and I write the second vector 3 2 minus 1 3 2 minus 1. Then we take the first one, we cross it out, and the last one we cross it out. So I say, okay, let's multiply this way, negative 1 times negative 1, which is 1. And then we subtract upwards. 2 times 2 is 4. So this is 1, take away 4. So this will be the first vector, the first coordinate. Then we say negative 1 times negative 2 and 2 times 3. So downwards always first. 2 times 3 is 6. Take away negative 1 times negative 2, which is 2. Then we have the third one, which is negative 2 times 2. Negative 2 times 2, which is negative 4. Take away. Then 3 times negative 1, which is negative 3. Negative 3, which is negative 3. Therefore, our vector will be negative 3, 4, and negative 1. So this vector is perpendicular to both of them. So I can say this vector perpendicular. So if you want to check, always in perpendicular vectors, the dot product must be equal to 0. If you try dot product, negative 3, 4, negative 1, dot, negative 2, negative 1, 2, this must be equal to 0. And the second one, negative 3, 4, negative 1, dot, 3, 2, minus 1, also must be 0. Therefore, this vector is perpendicular to both vectors A and B. Okay, that's it, perpendicular vectors.